M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and today we are learning Morse code and the letters are O and P. So O, da da da, da da da, da da da. Close your eyes and listen to the sound and the rhythm. Let's have a listen. Close your eyes, write down the letter O, listen to the sound, listen to the rhythm. Now let's have a look at P. P, di-da-da-dit, di-da-da-dit, di-da-da-dit. Close your eyes and listen to the sound and the rhythm. Imagine you're in front of your radio. You can't see the letters, you just hear the sound. Let's have a listen to P. Listen to the sound and the rhythm. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. 7-3, all the best. Catch you on air.